Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing terrific. So I was making dinner last night and I had a thought about the razor deal over at Walgreens, and I'm like, oh my gosh, there's a way to get it completely for free, and I'm going to show you how if you've already done the deal. No coupons needed. All you need is that $5 P&G register rewards. It is rolling and it actually worked for me. I went to the store around 7 p.m. with a wild look in my eye and it actually works. I'm going to jog you through it and show you all the receipts. But the first thing is this. IBOTTA is gracing us with a free item over at Walgreens. It's this bag of Wonka magic hats. That would make the most perfect stocking stuffer. So with the IBOTTA app, just look under the free category or look under Walgreens and load this, and you would go to the store and buy it and then submit your receipt to IBOTTA for that $2.49 back, making it an easy freebie. If you want to use Walgreens cash or register rewards, by all means go for it, but this would make a very ideal stocking stuffer and so adorable as well. Okay, so this is what had the gears moving in my mind yesterday. I wasn't going to do this deal with any digital coupons, but just on its own. So you're going to have to grab the Venus only razors for $10 to make this work for the money I'm going to show you to get it for like next to nothing. So grab 2 of them, and hopefully your store still has some of these in stock, but they're $10 a pop. So 2 of them would be $20 on the nose. So it's this one or the one with freesia. If I smell any freesias, I'm going to be very disappointed. Let me know comments down below what movie that's from. Okay, so before I jump into more tangents, the promotion with this is to buy 2, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. Now, the nuance here is the fact that the word buy is in there. You can actually use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it. I know that's super uber confusing, but it's one of their thousands of rules over there. This one, it'll work, and Aunt Rachel will show you the receipt here in a second. Okay, so for all my newer shoppers out there that are like, I don't understand what rolling means, I don't understand what you're saying, see that register reward at the very top? That's the one that's printing out when you spend 15. So in this transaction, I used this exact coupon that should be printing out for this promotion to get my balance a lot less, and that's called rolling. And then another one printed for me. So when I'm saying the $5 coupon, that's the one I'm talking about. Here's the receipt, my 2 razors for $20, and then I used my one $5 P&G register reward that I earned earlier in the day right there, so $5 is off. So my subtotal is $15. I used $10 in Walgreens cash, and then I had to pay the $5 plus tax, so a little bit out of pocket. I mean, this isn't a perfect deal. And just to show you, I used my Walgreens cash, and then I earned $10.10. So just to show you, yes, it is in fact working. So how fantastic is that? And then out of the register reward machine or the Catalina machine at the store, this guy printed out. So I confirmed yesterday that it's rolling. If you want to stock up on these fancy lady razors, yes, it is like $5 plus tax out of pocket cash. But I mean, make it happen. Alternatively, if you might have another $5 register reward from a different deal or something to throw in there, by all means go for it. But this is like a stock up if I've ever heard or seen of one for these fancy Venus razors. I mean, make this deal happen, guys. And maybe in the comments down below, you can let me know your success rate with this. But I would absolutely do this, especially if you're a newer couponer and you want to stock up. I will let you know, do it 2 per transaction. If you wanted to get crafty and grab 6 per transaction and make some monster deal, it's only going to work in the increments of 2 as I showed you in the receipts. Because this register reward will only print once per transaction, and you can only scan one of these per transaction as well. So they really have this one on a lockdown, but if you can break it up, 3 transactions, you want to grab 6, I mean, go for it. And that would be 3 transactions, and like make it happen and stock up on these beautiful razors. The last piece of business before I take off, I threw up a midweek haul yesterday, and I was talking about this little freebie, the Crest Pro Health mouth rinse. Now, I had a mistake in that video, and I was just throwing that video together really quickly. Had to go make dinner and a bunch of other Christmas stuff. The digital coupon that should be attaching to said product is this one. not the other one that I showed, but I'm always assuming that when you guys are in store, you're scanning barcodes to ensure that your coupons are attaching. So just be mindful of that, and apologies if anybody was confused. Go and get your cheap razors and candy. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.